Hello, I'm in a 2014 Ford Focus, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first you open the hood, and then towards the passenger side you should see this reservoir. This will be for your coolant. Double check your owner's manual or a good online source. You've got the best coolant type for your make and model. But on the side there's like a max and a minimum, so there's supposed to be some air gap, so don't fill it all the way to the top. And typically too, you want to match the same type of coolant and color of what's already in here. It's better not to mix and match if you can help it. And then also when you work on this system, make sure the vehicle's turned off and cooled down, just because the system works under pressure and this liquid can get to boil, so you don't want to risk having a bunch of poisonous liquid shooting out onto you. But when you're ready to add, just unscrew this cap, and then with your diluted coolant or with a funnel, fill as needed to around the max mark. Screw this back on nice and tight when you're done. And at that point, I would probably start the vehicle, run it for a few minutes to let that new coolant circulate through all of the motor. And meanwhile, I would check around the engine bay, around all the lines, around the radiator, under the vehicle, see if you see any liquid forming. If that is coolant, that could be an indication of an area that has a crack or leak that needs repaired or replaced. And a way to tell the coolant apart from, say, water condensation is the coolant should have a slight coloration to it. Should have a slight sweetness smell, and you don't really want it on your skin, but so you have a glove on and feel it, it should feel slightly slick compared to what water would feel like. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.